this big MacPherson Air. Okay,
That MacBook Air is already
that's
unboxed.
not a MacBook Air. That's a MacPherson. So let's open this AirPod Pro.
What is it written?
Designed by Apple in California. Let's remove this. And there we got this. What's this? They just give us the charger. Let's remove the plastic off this. And there we have our AirPod. Let's try them on. Let's close this. Let's try it now.
Are you able to hear any sound?
Yeah.
Put
So
it-
these look
Put
pretty
it back
good
on.
on me. Let's put them back on. It's the wrong direction.
Very nice. No, 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 no.
What?
You have to keep this inside. Then you put the box back. Thank you, Vihan, for the unboxing. So,
We are not done unboxing. Now to unbox this huge McPherson interchange.
bye.
Bye.